Hello everybody, it is Nick, or the Real Pancake here, and I am back with another Clash Royale video. So as you can see right here, I have the magical chest, and if we scroll down here, there is the tornado, which has just recently come out. So in this video, I want to try to get the tornado, and also if you look up in the top left, I am 5 experience away from level 9. So what we can do, there's a tornado in the shop. It ends in 7 hours and 11 minutes. We can start opening up this chest. Alright, 494 gold. 1 hog rider, don't really need that. 5 rockets, don't need that. 6 musketeers, we could get a legendary from this. Come on. 3 epics, 1 epic. Okay. I need this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Dark Prince. Oh my gosh. I did not need that. Well, couldn't get it. Well, let's see, what can we level up? Let's level up our guards, and that will get us to level 9. Now at level 9, King Tower goes up to 4,008 hit points, does 5 more damage, and our arena towers go up to about 2,500, and they get 6 more damage. Alright, so we're going to use this deck right here. We're going to try to attack, and yeah, that could be it. We can see, we might get a new chest. I have yet to get a super magical, legendary, or epic chest. Alright. This guy is Maxi Royce Cortez, sorry if I say that wrong, from Mexican Power. And let's see. We can play our minions in the back. And let's send a goblin barrel to the other tower. I wonder if we should send a miner. Alright. Mine tower, or Inferno tower, and then that's gonna lock on to that. I'll have the mini P.E.K.K.A get the witch, and he sends in a mega minion. Okay, we can zap that out, and I think we're gonna send a minions and a miner on the other side. Quick drop that. See what he does. He's gonna arrow the minions, miss the miner, and send a giant in the right lane. So let's send a goblin barrel at him. Goblin barrels are gonna get a few hits. Put the Inferno tower down. And zap that. Oh, okay. Get our arrows. And we prevented a lot of damage to be done. Let's give him a well played back. Alright. His tower's down to 1294. He did not get that much damage on us. Let's put... Alright, so we sent the mega minion in. Let's put minions in the back. Send a goblin barrel at him over there. Just gonna arrow that. Oh, he has mirror. Oh, okay. I did not know that. Zap that. And put our Inferno. Send the arrows in. Arrow that out. The skeletons are gonna get some hits. It's okay. Send that in. Get our zap ready. Just gonna arrow that down, probably. Yes. And then we can send a goblin barrel in there over on the other side. drop a good game. Well played. Thumbs up. Good luck. Alright. We got a crown and a golden chest. So we can start unlocking that. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.